So we'll answer from the top in this particular thing, except for the Excel. So first, you need to create a word process document. I have some word process here. That's that for you. I just have to open one. So I guess you're also aware of this one. The purpose is to have an evidence document where every screenshot must be put. Okay, here your name. You already have your candidate number or not yet?
No.
So center number is what again? Yes, don't forget, it's SA118 and your candidate number. Just I'll put that one right down here. And save this one as N3 evidence followed by your candidate number. N3 evidence. Huh? About what? Really? That's fair? Evidence, and then I'll just put like that way. So the desktop itself. Then after that one, you have to create a new folder called XAHC web. So just bring it here, create a folder. What's that again? XAHC_web. Is there any underscore there? Yeah. Okay. So and after that, okay, this is about Excel, so we'll skip that one for now. I guess some of you are doing this today, right? Ayman, you're doing this one, right? I mean this particular thing. Excel. Now we'll just focus on front page. Okay. So this particular thing you have to download. You will see if it's still active because sometimes they remove the link already so that the students cannot get the file. We will see first if it's there. If it's not, we'll just use our own file. Okay, what's this? Answer that. I guess it's active. Okay, right now you have two ways to download the file. There's a way to download the whole file in one time using the zip way, or you want right click into each of that and save the link as. So the best way is this one here, that you can have the whole thing in one time. Start download. Alright, so open it and there you go. So what you will do right now is just bring all those files to that particular folder that we just created. So highlight all these things here, Control C, and then go to the folder, the desktop, and paste all of those informations there. Okay, here you go. So now, they said that we have to open N13 style 1. So again, we don't have to do it directly that way. Always thing we do, we always start with the front page. And then we, yes. I'll just say yes, good. I'll just look. Okay, no problem. Go ahead. File, open site, and then desktop itself, get the folder, which is the XAHC web. It's empty, but it's okay. Click open and say yes to it. There you go. The files are here. Sometimes this is not available on the left side. Just again to bring it back, guys. Pay attention. View, then folder list. It's gonna be here. Then after that one, you have to open this particular style sheet N13 style 1. So just locate the file in here, extension is CSS, is hover or double click, and here are the styles that you have, the codes. Now, the font set for the H1, Times New Roman. If it's not available, then it's gonna be Times, and if it's not, then the serif font. So go to H1 here. If there's no H1, that's what we'll do, format, style, and then you're gonna create new one.
Modify.
There's nothing to be modified. Right now, there's no H1. So, in other words, you have to create new one. It's gonna be H1. H1 stands for heading 1. So, as it mentioned on the particular instructions, it has to be Times New Roman. So, just select good format and then font, and then choose Times New Roman. Please do not select Times New Roman serif because the word that will appear only the word serif, and we want the word Times New Roman itself. And after that one, they specified that the font color would be red for that matter, and the 18 pixels in central line. So what you will do, choose here 18. If there's px, choose. If it's not, nothing there, put px. Then the color will be what? Red. So just hover the mouse if you can see it. Now it's red, so just select that one. If not, go there and choose the color by putting the code here. And then click OK, and then the format with the paragraph and the alignment will be center. So again, as I keep on saying, sometimes when they ask you to modify, be careful with the American English and the British one. With the ER and ERE. Because sometimes we give you a file which is on British, especially when they ask you to modify. But we are using here the American settings, so we have to choose the TER for that matter. So click OK. And did we do the whole thing already? Did we change the Times New Roman? Color to red. Font size to 18. And central line. Okay, we're done for that. Click OK. And just simply click OK there. So the H1 will appear. But we are not done there yet. What we will do later on, because there is an instructions given here, that it must also accept times or serif. What you will do on this Times New Roman, after the Times New Roman, what we'll do? Comma, and I'll type what? No, times first. Because they mentioned that it's supposed to accept times. Or if no times, then the word serif will be there. And again, when it is Times New Roman, don't forget that you have to include the speech mark. Okay, put it here, like that. It's only good for Times New Roman. Don't put that one for Arial, because there was some mark for that last past paper. So be careful to add that one when they ask you to make a Times New Roman. Now, save your style sheet as style followed by your handwritten number. So style, just simply go there, file, save as. Did I just click save? Yeah. Sorry, save as, and then the name would be style. 01234, I'll just say that one, and don't change the location, just click save into it. Then after that one, take a screenshot of your evidence and place this one in your evidence folder. The style sheet, screenshot of your style sheet and place it in the evidence document. So just take screenshot right now, go back to your evidence document here, then close the header, paste that one. We don't need to show the whole thing in here, you just have to crop that portion. And that will do. So if you want to remove these things also, better, so that you can zoom it out more. Or if still not enough, remember that you can change the margin to narrow. It will give you another space, a little space, so it will be clear. But that's enough. And after that one, using a suitable software package, you have to create a new web page. So sometimes they tell you to open the existing web page, but right now they ask you to create. So by pressing Ctrl N will do, or clicking this one directly, then you can have it. Then you have to save this one so that you can name it as what the name you want. It is adventure.htm. So what you will do, just put adventure. You don't have to type the HTML because it's already recognized as HTML. So click save. So the new name now is adventure.htm. Then after that one, this web page must open in any browser and contain a single table to look like this. Now, our objective is to count how many columns and how many rows. So how many columns do you think we have there? 4. Okay, the answer is okay. 1, 2, 3. That's enough. How many lines? How many lines? 1, 2, wait a minute. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Alright? Actually, you can make it 3 or you can make it 4, but 3 is enough for that because so you just have to merge this one here. And anyway, it will move for some time, I guess, because this will do this one. It depends on the image that is put in here. So we'll try. If not, then we can add more. Don't forget. So how many columns? How many rows? 7. We have 1, 2. Okay, we'll count for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we'll try. 7 and 3. Table here. Insert table. 3 columns. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright? So we will try to make 4 and we will try the 3 also later for the same time because you can just merge them anyway. So we'll make this one as to 7, right? And this one 4. We'll try. Okay? Now we will now try to merge them. These are the things. Right click, merge, and here for this matter here you just have to merge this one also from this side going down. The whole thing, right? Or no? Yeah. Okay, the whole thing. Why I cannot select? We'll try. What's wrong? Merge. As what? Okay. What is wrong? Okay. I know. No, it goes back to 3. Anyway, so right click this one here and also merge this one here. So we have the same thing now. Okay, setting the width of the table to 800 pixels and the height is 600 pixels. So right click into it, go to table properties, and we said the width would be in pixels, but it is 800, and the height would be in pixels, but it is 600. So after that one, there's other instruction. Okay, there's nothing, just leave it like that, apply, and okay. Okay. For the cells in rows 2 until 6 in the table, set this particular thing. So 2 to 6, it's going to be from this one until here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one here. I cannot do that one because of we are we are recording. So the selection I cannot even highlight for the things here. See, it's not working. No, it's okay. We'll do it manually. I mean one at a time, one column.
Can't you control it?
No, it's not working. So what we'll do here, go to cell properties, and it says that it would be 22%, right? Wait a minute. 22% for the width of the particular thing, and also for the second column. So just click OK for that. Apply, okay. Then this one here also, we'll do the same. Right click, table cell properties, and make this one into 22%. Okay, apply, click OK, and there you go. Now placing the image on cell A, the M13 banner. So where's the M13 banner here? Here we go. Just simply drag and drop. So you can have the image there. And then place the image M13 logo into M. So it's gonna be here. Help me out. Where is it? Logo is here, right? Yeah, great. So I'll just drag it here. That's the best way when you do the folder list. And then place the following images into the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B, C, D to F. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. So because the image is supposed to be put in here. Alright. Now, to get the image that you can have any idea for that, the best way is for you to open it here and see those images that you have. So make it a little smaller so that you can see it. Now for the image home, so what do you think is the image we need? This one, right? Yeah, great. So that image is 5. Actually, I can drag it from here also. No problem for that. And ski would be, I guess the guy, right?
No, that one in the only one in no.
This one? No, this one. No. This one. Yes. Thanks. Okay, drag this one there. Scuba, water. Safari. Safari is gonna be the this one, right? The animals. Drag there. And the contact would be on the telephone, maybe.
Oh no, the mail.
Ah, yeah, here. Great. So just drag this one, supposed to. Put it there, just drag it back there. Okay, I guess you put the appropriate images now. And after that, in cell G, enter the text. Okay, web page last edited by. Okay, in here, web page last edited by. Followed by your name, center number, candidate number. SA 118-01234 for now. And then set this one as H1. So what you will do, go here and make this one as your H1 or heading 1. Now on 41, you have to attach the style sheet that we created in step 30. Remember the style? Okay, this one here. You just have to save it back to make sure. And just directly drag and drop. Okay, that's going to be the background that we have right now. Make sure it's not overridden. In other words, when you drag and drop that one, make sure that those the style sheet that you have is working properly. Now on question 42, open the file N13 Don or whatever, or dude. How are you, dude? N13 Don. So open the file. Help me out. It's here, right? So open that one with the picture manager. And the instruction here would be, you have to reduce the image size to 500 pixels wide. So what you will do, go to resize, and the pixels wide is going to be here. It's going to be what again? 500, right? Let me see. It's 500. But be careful, I put 500, but it doesn't work. It gives me 530. So, in other words, I will modify based on the height. But how will I know that it will be a correct height? So, what I will do, guys, there are two ways for that. I can bring this one into Paint. Okay, I can do it in Paint, and I go resize in here, and I'll just change this one to the horizontal would be 500. And pixels, yeah, sorry. Horizontal 500, and that's the thing. So based on the instruction, I have to do not reduce the image resolution, so keep it like that but only resize. So place this screenshot also in the address document. So bring it here, go back to the Paint, and what you will do, just simply take a screenshot for that and bring that one in your evidence document here. So you can write down the question number anyway, so that at least you will remember that this is the thing about question 42. So go back to your evidence document and put 42 there before putting the screenshot. Crop that one if necessary. If you can show a little of the thing, that at least a little evidence that it is really the image that you want, do that way. And again, maximize the space. Doesn't matter how many printouts you can have. The important thing is the printout is clear. Don't worry, we'll not save ink on that time. In the name now is Don 2, Don 1. Guys, file, save as. Don't forget the extension. It's JPEG or JPG. Then make this one as the image name you want. Okay, Don 1. Followed by your candidate numbers. Again, it's going to be here. Just remove those things. It's going to be 1 with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be your candidate number there. And save that one in the same folder. Okay. Now, save the image in that format, in JPEG format, reducing the image resolution so that it is not less than. Because oftentimes it says not more than, right? Before. But in this it said not less than 100 kilobytes. So make sure that you know how to reduce the resolution for the image. So what you will do first is you have to go here and check if the image is already available. If it's not, go to view and refresh. but save this first because there's a star, means some modification is there and that it's saved. Save now, then go to the view, refresh. The image came or no? I guess not, right? So if the image is not available, that is simple. What you will do, close the whole thing, go back to your folder, and just open the style sheet. And everything is gone. Alright, there you go. So now the image came here and the adventure is there. So now, what you will do, just open website here and see the image if that is no longer, or no, not less than 100. So this is the image. And if you see the size, it's 131 kilobyte, which is correct. Huh? So it's correct. So what we're gonna do, we don't have to resize it now. Leave it like that because it's already more than 100. And then you just have to save that one as don't2 followed by the candidate number. What you will do right now, just simply copy that one and paste. And rename that one with erase those things.
Sir, why can't you just rename it?
I cannot rename that one because they said to make a copy of that. 2. Okay, then press enter. Then there you have it. You have Don't2 now, and you have the Don't1 there. So, and then they said as well that you have to take a screenshot for that, showing the file name and the file size of the original file and the 2 new versions saved in steps 42 to 43. So what you will do, you can take a screenshot of here now because those things are together. Just drag it a little bit up here if you want, or refresh. So that will be together. Here you go. Take screenshot for that and bring that one in your evidence document here and paste that information. Crop that one. You don't have to show the whole thing there. Okay, that one. Now, if you want to specify the thing that they want to see, it's for you, okay? So you can go to insert and then shape here.
So why don't you just copy?
What are you saying?
Copy. Won't be understood.
Because we need to show this one also, Omar, the original thing. Alright. So what you will do is just simply highlight these things here like that. Okay? Format. And here, fill, don't fill it, no fill. You just have to heighten the border, make it red, and if you want to increase the size, increase that one. Okay, go to format shape.
What was it?
Nothing.
Can I keep it like that without highlighting the thing?
No problem. Okay, your choice. Okay, like that, and then since you want to make a 3 for that, so copy and paste that one. And the other I have made a lot. Okay, like that here. So specifying those things that they want. Okay, the original, and now the size is like this now. It increases actually. No, it reduces. After that, we are now on question 45. Place the image that you saved in 43 on cell N. So in other words, you just need this particular picture now. Go back to adventure here and drag this image, which is the Don't2. Drag it here like that way. And after that, we are on what question now, guys? 46. Okay, create a hyperlink from the contact us button. Where is the contact? Okay, from the contact us. So it's gonna be this one here. Right click into it, go to hyperlink, and they said that it has to be where? Email message to okay, xahc@cie.org.uk. So just help me out, remember? So I just have to go to the email here, xahc@cie. What's that again? .org.uk. Just to make sure. XAHC at CIT.org.uk. Okay, that's good. And the subject line would be adventure me up with 3 dots. So put that one here. Adventure me up 1, 2, 3. 3 dots, put. And include that one. Then that's it. Then just click OK. Now go back to the question. See, this is tricky one here. Contact us and the image on L. So in other words, 2 things you have to make a hyperlink. So what you will do, go back there and then the same way with this, hyperlink. So no need for you to do it now. You just have to select this one and it will be okay. You got me? Because you already did this one here, it's already part of the recent use email. Click OK, and the same thing you have there now. Now display this web page in the browser. I'll save this first adventure.html. Actually, you already saved that one. Just click this one here. Save button. Now display this web page in the browser. If necessary, resize your browser window so that it fills the entire screen. So you can directly open it here, guys. Just click this one here. Okay, the default I have is what's this one here? Mozilla, so it's okay. So I just have to make sure that it fits the screen. So I just have to do this one like that. I just make it a little smaller maybe. Okay. Because it has a size of 800, right? 800 pixels, and then this one is 600. So I have to show them the table itself. So I just have to make it a little bigger. Oh no, that is too much. This one. Because I have to show these things. Okay. Because the table has to be displayed as well. Okay, like that. And then what you will do, just take a screenshot for that and bring that one into your evidence document. Again, always take a screenshot, don't print it directly, okay? That's very important. And again?
The statement from the browser.
No, it needs a browser even. What you're saying? This question says browser?
No, not this question.
No, everything must be screenshot for the how it looks like. Because if you print it from the browser, remember it will change the look. It might the text might become bigger there, and some information might not be displayed clearly. So better do this way. Crop that one to the whole thing, but don't crop the whole thing like that, huh? Don't do this way, because there's no evidence that it's from the browser. Leave it like that, a little to show the the top and the bottom of the browser itself, and just make it like that way.
So you'll cut marks
They'll cut mark for what?
if you screenshot from the browser.
No, actually that's the best way. I just take screenshot from the browser.
No, I mean,
If you print directly,
yeah.
no. Okay, this is the best way. You have to take screenshot from the browser. So after that one, what are the other instructions we have here? If it says the browser that fills the entire screen. Take a screenshot of the entire screen and paste it in an evidence document. That's what we did. Now print a copy of the HTML source. So there are 2 ways for this. One way of doing this one is right click into it and go to view page source, and then directly print. Or if you want to specify your information, because the problem here, the print preview, you cannot change the information at the top in here. Like you cannot put your name. It will be like this only when you print. Now the best way for that is what you will do is just Control A for all, copy that one, go to your evidence document here, and Control N. The purpose is just to bring it here, paste that one, and leave it like that. So right now, I can put my name. You got me? So you can put your name here. Huh? Yeah, that's my new name now. And then again, always together with your center number and candidate number. Every name must be included. Actually, the most important is the candidate number compared to your name, because that's your identification. Unique key, in other words, the primary key. Okay, after that one, save and print your evidence document as well. So you know already what to do. In here, print that one, but just double check, okay, if everything is clear. So again, don't bother about printing much or make it too big, so that it will waste ink. Doesn't matter. Just make sure that everything is clear, and that's important. And that's the end of story. And here, yeah, here after the examination time, don't do this one while this one is open. The best way. It's easy for you to highlight when this one is still active. Okay, we'll do it right now. We'll try to highlight online. In the computer. So first, your name, center number, candidate number. So please do not highlight these things here. Some students highlight everything, every printouts. No, it's only the HTML source. So what you will do, you just have to highlight these things here. Your name, it's gonna be at the bottom. Remember, we put your name in this part. So if you don't know the location for that, go to the split here, and so that you can see it. Hover the mouse, bring it there, so your name is here. So nearly at the last part of the thing. See? So directly you can go back there and scroll down, and your name will be there. See? It's here. So let's edit it by. In the exam time, don't forget you have to highlight that one, not this one with your, you have to bring your own highlighter, and it's not working because of the, what? It allows me not. Thank you very much for highlighting that way.
Maybe the highlighter is white. That's white.
No, it's white. It's yellow, I guess.
Maybe the highlighter is
What happened?
Highlighter on the camera.
Yeah, because of the camera. Anyway, that's what you will highlight, and then followed by external style sheet. Always the style sheet at the top, huh? Guys, remember, always you can find that one at the top. It's here. So highlight this one as well. Next thing, it's the table width and height. So remember, if you don't know that one, it always goes in the middle anyway. So I will try to look at it directly. So the table and width and height is here. So it's 800 and 600. If you want to add px, it's okay. Put px here. If you don't want to put, it's okay as well. Don't worry. So it's here. And then the column, same thing. The hyperlink from the contact and the image itself. So just scroll down. I guess it's the last image we have. If you're not sure, just go back to the to your work and click those images, and you can see those things. So it's in 46, so somehow in the middle of those things. Okay, or the 3/4 area. So it's gonna be this one anyway. So you just have to make a hyperlink for this one. Hyperlink from this image, for all these things here like that, and as well as this particular thing here.
So from which part, sir?
Which part? What question?
This one. From where to highlight?
From here, from the hyperlink to this one with this image. Hyperlink from this one with this image. So in other words, you have to have like from here going here.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So then after that one, I guess that's it. And write the informations here.